Welcome to my lunchtime skincare and lifestyle drop-in. This is where I'm going to share with you simple skincare and lifestyle tips that you can integrate into your daily routines, and they're cost-effective ways. So today what I'm going to talk about is CBD. Now, most of us have heard about CBD and some of us have mainly tried taking it internally. I'm just going to talk to you about the benefits of CBD on the skin. It's a very potent plant botanical, high in antioxidants, and it's very easy to integrate in skincare. You'll notice that most skincare ranges now are actually carrying their own skincare range. But if you stay tuned in, I'm going to show you how you can integrate this into your skincare without the expense of having to buy lots of different new products. So it's very rich in 3 vitamins, A, C, and E. Now, A is a very important one, and lots of us are using it in retinol. And actually, for the purpose of this study, I actually stopped taking retinol so I could see the improvement on my skin. So A is extremely important for the skin. It stimulates collagen, elastin. It actually improves the density of the skin. Most people think it thins it. What it does is it smooths it and actually compacts all the cells tighter and closer together on there. Vitamin C is a wonderful product that triggers your fibroblasts. It's also a brightening product for the skin, and it helps as an antioxidant, which is going to protect you from the sun. Vitamin E also helps protect you from DNA. It helps protect your DNA from damage, solar damage that we get from the sun. And when you combine vitamin E and C together, it works as a very powerful antioxidant, both in your products and for your skin. So that all combined together is going to strengthen your skin, and it's going to prevent TEWL, T-E-W-L, transepidermal water loss. What we want to do is keep a hydrated skin, and a hydrated skin is a healthy skin. And then we're going to prevent those secondary skin conditions such as acne and inflammation. And this is where CBD is a singular approach to skincare, because it is suitable for all skin types. There isn't a skin type that it isn't suitable for. That said, you must be very careful where you actually choose your products from. Now, CBD now is very popular and on the market, and everybody is into it and producing it on there. But you really want to find an ethical supplier. Now, I have actually been working with a company from Hawaii that is distributed here in New York. And I've tested 2 products, one with turmeric in and one with passion flower. And why, after I'd searched everywhere for a CBD product, I chose these was because it's 3rd generation herbalists. Everything is microdosed, and it is all grown and hand produced in Hawaii with all the Hawaiian energy, love, and knowledge. It's 3rd-party tested, so we know it's clean and it does what it says on the tin, and it's a full spectrum CBD. Now, they term it as a tincture, and I think they use that there because it has other ingredients as well. So this has turmeric, which we all know is another anti-inflammatory and brightening product for the skin, but it's actually in an oil-based formula. So for me, it's very simple. Instead of buying separate skincare products that have got CBD in, and we're not sure as to the potency or the efficacy of that skincare. And often when we look on the back of a product, we'll see all the ingredients and believe that the ones at the bottom actually are not in a high enough dose to be potent enough. However, that's a little misleading. What you want to do is anything that is south of the preservative, which is normally at 1%, really isn't in a high enough dosage, because active ingredients normally are only 1, 2, 3, maximum 10% in a product, and it depends on the dilution from that. So the way that I actually use these products is I like to mix them in with my skincare products. Now, you can actually put them neat on the skin, but I feel you would use more and you get it patchy on there. I like to just pop a little bit of cream. I will always mist my face before I put any creams, any serums on, and tap that in. And then when you start, it's always good to start with less. So 1 to 2 drops is more than enough. I mix it together and then I'll apply it to my face. I'm actually just going to pop out now so you can see that beautifully on the back of my hand. Now, I like the plant botanical smell. If you don't, then less obviously is more, and use a less potent. They come in 250 milligrams or 500. I also have the passion flower one, which is really good. And these two I have been testing together. And what's great about it, it's a little bit like a cook. I take a little bit for myself under my tongue as well. So you can use CBD in all your skincare products that you already have at home on there. Start with 1 or 2 drops. You can build up to 3 or 4. I have noticed a considerable strength in my skin, a little more hydration and plumpness on there. So for me, I've been using it for 3 weeks. I stopped using retinol because I didn't want that to interfere with the results from there, because it also helps with balancing the oil levels in the skin. So to recap, a lot of the benefits of CBD is it increases your hydration, it balances your oil, it thickens your skin, it plumps your skin, it works as an anti-inflammatory, it works as an antioxidant, it reduces fine lines and wrinkles. So those are 7 key benefits for your skin, all from 1 or 2 drops of a CBD oil. Those will be available in the link down below and on my website. And I would love to hear how you get on integrating CBD into your skincare. Now, don't forget, this can also be done on your body products. So before you pop your moisturizer on your body, you can pop a few drops of CBD in there for you. I look forward to hearing how you get on. Thank you.